Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to install a prefix PL2303 driver on Windows 11. So how to do this? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, open a Google search engine, and after doing this step type a PL 2022 prefix driver installer and search it and click on a first link is. After doing this step click on a this driver installer. Now downloading will be started and it's required of a few seconds to download it. After doing this step open a zip file, right click, extract here, open it. Click next to continue, click finish. After I close it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.